Hi friends, welcome to IMIND.AutoCAD. In today's video tutorial, we would study how to create this geometry in AutoCAD. So as usual, before we start with the drawing, we'll try to analyze this drawing and try to find out which is the best starting point. After studying this geometry meticulously, I feel that the best point to start with is the center of this circle. So we'll begin drawing this circle of radius 30 with this as a center point. Then we'll draw another circle of radius 86. Then we'll draw two tangential lines, fillet the edges to a radius of 10, and then offset this geometry to 7 units on the outer side. Then create these two circles, copy them down, copy them over here, and mirror them to the opposite side. Then we'll draw these two circles, and finally we'll do the dimensioning and our geometry would be complete. So let me show you how we'll begin this geometry. We'll start with the circle and the center radius command. We'll use the center point of this as a tracking point, and we would click here and draw a circle of radius 30 and hit enter. Now we want to draw another circle of radius 86. But remember, this circle, we got a distance from center point of this circle and to a point which is over here at the distance, and the distance is 63 units. So what we'll do, we'll draw one line which extends from the center of this, and we'll turn ortho on, goes down 63 units and hit enter. Now we'll draw another circle. We'll use this as a center point and track it upwards somewhere over here and give the radius for that circle as 86 and hit enter. And then we'll move this circle. We'll select move. We'll hit enter. Specify the base point of this displacement. So we'll select quadrant to this circle and we'll move it to the end of this line. Then we'll draw two tangential lines. The tangential lines would be starting from this edge and we'll extend it down, hit enter. Another line, it starts from here. We'll specify tangential to this circle and extends down and hit enter. Then we'll fillet with a radius of 10 units and fillet these two edges. Again, fillet these two edges. And then we'll trim the unwanted lines. So we trim this circle, we trim this, we trim this, and we also don't need this line. Hit enter. Now we'll select this geometry and we'll type the command join to join all the points. Now we'll use the offset command. Give the offset distance as 7 units and offset this object. Okay, so see, if you get it this way means it's not joined. So let's select again all the points and type join and hit enter. Now type offset distance 7. Select the geometry. Now the whole geometry is selected and to the outer side 7 units. Hit enter to end the offset command. Now we'll draw one line which extends from the midpoint of this to the left. Hit enter. And we want to offset it on the top. Offset distance is 12 units. Select the line to offset and the side to offset. Hit enter. Then we want to draw one line from center of this, extend it on the top, and let's take it to the left half of 72, that is 36, and bring it down to any distance and hit enter. Now we got the intersection, and this would be the intersection would be the center point of this circle whose dia is 8. So we come over here and we select center diameter and select this and draw a circle of 8 dia, and then we also want to draw these bigger circles which are of 8 radius. So we select circle, center point, we select circle, center radius, center point of this is this, and radius is 8, and hit enter. Now we delete the unwanted lines. So we type erase. We no longer need this line, this line, this line, and this line, and hit enter. Now we want to copy these two circles down. Center to the center distance is 45. We draw one line which extends from center of this, and we take it down 45 units. Now we copy these two circles from center of this to end point of this line. Escape, and now erase this line, and now do a linear dimensioning from center point of this to center point of this, and it's 45. So this is very important that you keep this point in mind, that center to center distance should be 45. Now we want to mirror these objects to the right. Okay, so you can select these two. We don't want the dimension line, so we just select the dimension and erase it. And we select these two lines and mirror it. Specify the first point, second point, enter. Now we have to again measure center to center distance should be 72. Linear dimensioning, center point of this, and it is exactly 72. And again linear dimensioning, center of this is exactly 45. Now we want to draw this upper line at 25 units. We'll draw one line from center of this circle to the left, intersecting this, and hit enter, and offset it on the top 25 units. So offset distance 25, select this line and offset it on the top. So we get an intersection, and again we will copy these two circles there. So CO for copy, select the two circles, hit enter. Base point of displacement is this, and the second point would be this. So we get this object also. Press escape, and now let's do the linear dimensioning. Center point of this to center point of this, and it should be 25. And that's correct. Now we are left with these two circles. So we'll draw one line from end point of this, extend it down hit enter. Now you can see that the center to center distance is 38 and this distance is 36. So we draw one line from center point of this and extend it to the left like this and hit enter and offset it down to a 36 unit distance. Select the object to offset and the side to offset. So we get this point and we'll use the point command of AutoCAD and put one point in the intersection of this line. Now from here to here the distance should be 36 and just erase this line and we'll just do linear dimensioning from here to node of this. It is 36 units. Now we'll draw one line from node of this which extends to the left half of 38, that is 19, and half of 38, 19 on the right. So line, we take the node center point, move to the left 19, hit enter, again line, node, move to the right 19. Now we end the line command. Temporarily we'll erase this and we get the intersection of this as the point where we want the two circles to be drawn. But the circles will not be drawn at the intersection but at the end of these two lines. Because if you see the distance from here to here is 38. So we'll select these two circles, CO for copy. Base point would be this and move it to the end of this, and second circle to the end of this. So center to center distance is 38. Now we press escape and we erase the unwanted lines. So we start with trim and we no longer need this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, and zoom here. You can see there is some line over here also. You can get rid of that and we no longer need this line, this line, this line, this line also. And we come here and we no longer need this, this, this. Do very patiently and carefully. So we don't need this. And again trim this, 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 thus. Here we will use the line command, erase command, to erase this line, and the node. Hit enter and then back to the trim command and trim this, this, and this, and trim this, 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 and this. Finally, we are left with this circle. So erase this, 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 and this. And our geometry is now complete. Let's do the final dimensioning. So linear dimensioning from center of this to center of this and come to this 36 units. This is 38. Then radius of this R10. Again radius of this R10. Again radius of this R86. And again linear dimensioning from center point of this circle. So we'll select linear dimensioning, center point of this circle, that is this, and quadrant to this distance is 63. And then again linear dimensioning from center point of this to center point of this, and it would be 12 units. And then radius of this circle, and it would be 30 units. Finally, we are left with leader. So we use leader. We turn the snap off, ortho on, off, and then we click here. We click here, and we'll be writing that 7 into, we need the diameter symbol. So diameter 8, select the text, come here, reduce the size, close the text editor. And the last, again leader, and click over here. And give 7 into R8. Select the text and reduce the size to 2.5 and click on close the editor. You can shift this geometry outside. So we select this and move it outside. And now our geometry is complete. So is the dimensioning. So friends, in this video tutorial, we have studied how to make this cascade design complete with dimensioning. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.